In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove podcast history from Spotify. To give you a brief overview, Spotify is a leading service for streaming music and podcasts. It boasts a huge collection of music with over 100 million songs and constantly growing. Spotify helps you discover new music through personalized recommendations, curated playlists, and browsing by genre or artist. Spotify is a versatile platform for music and podcast lovers, offering a vast library, personalized discovery tools, and the flexibility to listen for free or with a paid subscription. To remove podcast history, the first thing that you need to do is to open Spotify on your device. On the platform, click on the Your Library section that you'll find at the lower right corner of your screen. In this area, you'll be able to find the list of artists and podcasts that you follow or like on Spotify. Now, to remove a podcast from your history, the first thing that you need to do is to filter all the podcasts and shows. Now, click on the podcasts that you want to remove and click on the stop following button. This also applies for the artists that you're following. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.